Hi, I'm Stacy with Venture Accelerator Partners, and today I'll be talking about how to get found in AI search results. How to get found in AI search results. With the rise of AI-powered search, i.e. using ChatGPT or generative Google, it's changing how customers are finding businesses. The implication is that a lot of small businesses are only optimizing for traditional SEO, and it's no longer enough. You need to adapt for AI-driven results. Traditional search versus AI search. The old model. We've talked a lot about SEO and how it can help you rank higher in different search results. However, the new model, AI search, it synthesizes content from multiple web pages into a coherent, direct answer, creating a long list of results. This has been a key shift for users as they're getting specific and full answers without ever clicking through. They're being featured by AI becomes more valuable than just ranking. Why businesses must optimize for AI search. There's a risk. Without AI-friendly content, businesses may become invisible when it comes to AI-generated summaries. It's an opportunity for being cited by AI engines. It boosts the authority and drives qualified traffic. You're also future-proofing your business by doing this. By optimizing for AI search, it helps secure visibility as search habits continue to shift. Here are some actionable strategies that you can take. Utilizing the EAT strategy: expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. For small businesses, publishing content that gives you that expert angle with strong bios will help you populate in search results. Earning backlinks from credible sites, and showing trustworthy signals through HTTPS, contact info, and reviews. Ensure that you have clear, simple, and factual writing. Use straightforward language throughout your website and avoid any fluff. Lead with the answer. Don't bury it in any marketing copy. And always state data backend claims, site sources, and include internal data. Have a scannable structure to your website. Use headings, H1, H2, and H3 for a logical structure. Format key ideas in lists or bullets, easy for AI to parse through. Use a Q&A format where relevant, ask questions, then answer them clearly. Have a conversational, long-tail use keywords. Have these keywords be targeted around very specific questions, natural language keywords, no how to or what is. Use tools like Answer the Public, Quora, Reddit to find real user questions that would guide them to your business. Answer-driven future. AI isn't just a fad, it's a fundamental shift, and it's how people are seeking information more and more. Your content goal, be the source that AI tools pull from. By optimizing now, you can gain a competitive edge and stay visible as AI search adoption grows. Revise your content strategy with an AI search mindset, not just SEO, but AI SEO. Key takeaways. AI search matters. Optimizing for AI models is now a must. It's not a nice to have. AI search is changing how buyers discover B2B companies. Ensure that you have structured niche and consistent content, which is critical for AI visibility. Invest in credibility. Expertise plus trust helps you show up in AI and the answers that they produce. With all of this, the payoff would be higher quality, more qualified leads, and a stronger inbound pipeline. If you're looking for more information on this topic, please visit us at vapartners.ca.